Camera access mysteriously denied on your Samsung. Let's fix that security policy that's blocking your view. First, we need to pinpoint the culprit. Often, it's an app's permission that's been restricted by a default security setting. Let's dive into your Samsung settings. Tap on Apps or Applications from your main settings menu, then find and select the specific app that's having trouble accessing your camera. Once you're in the app's info page, look for Permissions and tap on it here. You'll see a list of permissions the app is requesting. Make sure camera is set to allow or allow all the time. Sometimes, more stringent security settings can interfere. Go back to your main settings and search for other security settings or something similar, usually found under Biometrics and Security. Within this menu, look for Device Admin Apps or Device Administrators. Carefully review this list. If you see any unfamiliar or unusually powerful apps enabled here that might be controlling your camera, consider disabling them. Be cautious, and only disable apps you don't recognize as essential system components. In some rare cases, a misbehaving app or an outdated security patch might be the cause. Try restarting your phone. A simple reboot can often clear temporary glitches if the issue persists. Consider checking for software updates for both your system and the specific apps you're trying to use. A quick trip to your app store to update your camera app and any other apps relying on it can also work wonders. Once you've adjusted these settings, test your camera in the affected apps. Go ahead and open Instagram, WhatsApp, or any other app that uses your camera. You should now see your camera feed clear and ready to go, resolving that persistent security policy error.